Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Umar and my research co-author name is Saima Sadiq. Today I am going to present Multimedia Information Retrieval PhD research work that is supervised by Dr. Malik Saad Mission. The title of this research work is Scientific Citation Sentiment Analysis using Textual Features and Smooth Resampling Technique. To find out impact of research is significant for research community and academia of all disciplines. Citation is used to cite other research work and presents impact of scientific work. The only measure associated with the quantification of research quality is the citation count. So our problem statement is, although number of citations play a significant role in academic research, but sometimes citation can be biased or made to be discussed only the weakness and shortcomings of the research. By considering sentiment of citation can help in understanding the opinion of research community and will help in the quantifying the quality of research articles. This table presents some of the closely related work to our research that has done so far. Traditionally, scientometric evaluation scheme consider the quantitative aspect of citation. Mostly low-quality papers are frequently cited, mostly for criticism. To measure the effectiveness and influence of the research, there is need to explore the qualitative aspect of citation. Qualitative aspect citation include sentiment polarity. So our major aims and objectives are to propose an effective feature representation technique in combination with supervised machine learning models to determine the sentiment of citation instances into positive, negative, or neutral. We have evaluated the performance of 7 supervised machine learning models named as decision tree, AdaBoost, logistic regression, stochastic gradient descent, random forest, extra tree classifier, and spot vector machine. The performance of them is compared in combination with frequency-based and prediction-based features representation technique. The efficiency of synthetic minority oversampling technique, also called as SMOOT, is analyzed in balancing citation sentiment dataset. This research used dataset named as Citation Sentiment Corpus derived from ACL Anthology Network Corpus. The dataset consists of 8,736 citation sentences, which have been assigned sentiment by manual annotation. The dataset contains 2 columns. The one is citation text, the text that is derived from the research articles, and the sentiment of the text is listed in the column named as sentiment. The proposed methodology is quite simple and easy to follow. In the first step, we scrap the citation sentiment corpus, make it balanced using smooth upsampling technique. Then the balanced dataset is passed through the feature engineering techniques. We have used TF-IDF feature extraction techniques for feature engineering. The entire dataset is divided into 70% of training dataset and 30% of testing dataset. These training dataset is passed to machine learning models to evaluate the sentiment of citation sentiment sentences. We have done these experiments in 3 settings. We have done these in 3 phases. In setting 1, in order to compare the performance of classifiers for citation sentiment classification, the first experiment have been performed on imbalanced dataset that is derived from the citation sentiment corpus using TF-IDF as feature set. Here the results shows that the SVM surpassed other models. In setting 2, we have used the downsampling technique and we have extracted 2 T instances from each class randomly for training of the model. Here ETC, extra tree classifier, achieved the highest accuracy. In setting 3, The imbalance problem is solved by applying smooth upsampling technique. Data instances of minority classes is oversampled to make the dataset balanced. Here we can again see that the extra tree classifier gives promising result by giving an accuracy of 98.26%. The graph clearly explains the three settings results obtained against each machine learning classifier. In order to evaluate and to show the significance of our work, we have see our work from another perspective. We have changed the feature extraction techniques word and use word to vec for another predictions. Here we use all these models with word to vec and again the extra tree classifiers and logistic regression performs better. The graph shows the result obtained against TF-IDF and Word2Vec. So the conclusion of this study is that throughout the study, the application of appropriate text representation technique combined with supervised machine learning algorithms has been analyzed for classification of citation sentiment. By evaluating classification model on performance evaluation metrics, it is concluded that Word2Vec is not appropriate for citation sentiment analysis. The reason is that the accuracy obtained using smooth upsampling technique and TF-IDF feature is greater than Word2Vec. TF-IDF has considerable advantage over Word2Vec in the prediction of citation sentiment. Effectiveness of smooth in improving performance of machine learning classifiers has also been observed. The results prove that the frequency-based feature representation in combination with supervised machine learning classifiers surpass prediction-based approach. Experimental results confirm the superiority of extra T classifier with 98.26% accuracy, 98% F1 score using TF-IDF on smooth balanced dataset for citation sentiment analysis. Here are some of the reference that are used in order to design this presentation. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.